Hey guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. It is Thursday. I'm not sure if you'll see this today or tomorrow. Probably today because I want to film something else for you for tomorrow. So, this is one day that I'm very excited that our time change happened because I don't have to rush to get dinner on the grill, and that gives me a little bit more time back in my evening as well. So, let's hop to this. I don't have my menu plan printed out. I did, but I changed it. Actually, my husband changed something. So, I am going to, and I'm actually changing something else for Saturday. So, I will walk you through my menu plan after I go through the groceries. And then I will just kind of list it down below as well in the description box. I did not go to Walmart this time. This time I went to Kroger. I just felt like, yes, it was time for just a grocery change, and I was really kind of glad I did because I walked out like a bandit, I think. Charcoal and charcoal starter, or liquid, charcoal lighter, sorry. I usually get the Kingsford charcoal, but that wasn't even an option. So Kroger will do. 2 liters of Mountain Dew Code Red. I was almost out of Cascade, and when I did my Amazon pantry order for this month, I tend to be doing those once a month. I forgot to add on there that, so I just picked it up from there. American cheese. I have one thing of cream cheese, some Parmesan shredded cheese, some string cheese, a pound of beef fajita meat, and 2 pounds of chicken thigh fajita meat, some Canadian bacon. I'm thinking I should have got 2, but no, I did it right. Some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then we have cube steak, ribeyes, boneless ribeyes, 3 packs of Thomas English muffins. These are 6 count packages, so that will probably, with what I have in the freezer, that will probably get us through next week's breakfast. 2 gallons of whole milk, 1 gallon of Red Diamond sweet tea. As you guys know, that's a staple. Today is March 14th, which is pie day, so we have a key lime pie. This is Edward's frozen key lime pie. It is so good. You guys, I didn't plan ahead. I totally forgot, and so, being a working wife as well, I took a shortcut, took a cheat, so that we could enjoy Pie Day on time. I'll make my sweet family a pie another time. Cheese tortellini, frozen corn, some sausage patties. I've got 2 big packages of the chewy dips, one in the chocolate chip, one in the peanut butter. They were on sale, plus it was part of a promotion. You buy 5, you save 5. So it ended up coming down to about $2.99 a box. And that's pretty good for a 14 count pack. And the boys like them, and they'll eat 2 at a time usually on those because they're small. And we're talking adult size teenagers. So some angel hair pasta. 2 things of Pop-Tarts. Again, that was, they had a $1 off coupon, plus they were on sale, so that was like $1.99 a box. The boys do snack on these sometimes. Sometimes they'll have them for breakfast along with something I've cooked, or just if they're not very hungry. So I picked up this variety pack, which I don't usually do in the fruity flavors, but they have learned to like those. Used to, they liked only things, the chocolate ones, what are all the different chocolate ones. So I do have a thing of s'mores. You're going to hear one of the boys in their rooms playing games with the friends, so it's loud. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, a loaf of bread. I should have probably got a honey wheat bread, but I may have one in the freezer. Oh well. Flour tortillas, some chips. That was part of that buy 5 get 5. I have 3 avocados, which by the time I need them, these will be perfect. Right now they're kind of hard. 2 things of chicken broth, some bacon pieces, grain-free dog food that we mix with dry food for the pup, some minced garlic because I'm almost out, a small thing of sweet and sour sauce. I'm the only one who really likes this. Unless we have chicken nuggets, then the boys like it too. But we're having some egg rolls tomorrow, so that will be what I use that for. I have 3 things of the Perfect Portion Sheila. That is for the cat. Maybe she'll stop eating the dog food, or he will stop eating the dog food. Lemons, as you guys know, that's a staple. Mushrooms, you can't have steak without mushrooms. 2 bell peppers, and a 3-pack of this fast rise yeast. I'm going to make some homemade sausage rolls, or kolaches as we call them here in Texas, even though they're not the fruity kolaches some other people know. Alright, menu. Today is Thursday. What's the matter with you peeps? Sorry, my zoo is going nuts. Today is Thursday, so we are going to have these steaks. I'm going to get them marinated and then get them on the grill in a little bit. I have some red potatoes I'm going to roast. I'm going to let them get almost done, and then I'm going to smash them down and put them back in to crisp up, and then we're going to top that like we would a baked potato. One night we're going to have chicken fried steak. That's why I bought this cube steak. We are also going to have hi Shelby. We're also going to have, I'm going to try a new recipe. I used to make this tortellini soup. And I also like this creamy chicken and noodles. So I'm kind of going to combine the two. And instead of noodles, I'm going to use the tortellini. But I'm still going to do it like I did chicken and noodles. So that is a play recipe. If it works out well, I will record it for you guys. And the next time I make it. We're going to, of course, have fajitas. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 6 meals planned. Oh yes, I think tomorrow night, with the string cheese, I am going to make some pizza egg rolls in the air fryer. My husband had bought a bunch of egg rolls from one of his co-workers' wives had made them to sell, and so he bought a bunch of those. So I think we're gonna have like kind of a knick-knacky night. I have put down pizza egg rolls and regular egg rolls and veggies and dip, so it's kind of like a snack and go kind of dinner. We do like to do that on the weekend. Sorry if I'm making y'all dizzy. I am just got so much energy right now I cannot sit still. So that will be Friday. Saturday, I am really jonesing for some good old fried chicken because that's just a southern gal in me. And I don't want to make it. So it'll just be 3 of us at home. So I will probably go to Popeyes and get dinner. There you go. And then Sunday, I'm not sure. Probably maybe fajitas or maybe a grilled pork. I have a pork tenderloin in the freezer. So one night I'm going to do the grilled pork tenderloin. Maybe I'll film that as well. And then with that, I am going to use this angel hair pasta and make this spicy garlic pasta that I absolutely adore. And then we'll have a steamed broccoli and maybe some garlic bread with that. And then the other thing, because I think I had us planned all the way through Wednesday. So I think the last thing would be I am going to do the creamy broccoli. I think a couple weeks ago I bought the tuna helper and the cans of chicken. I told you guys we like to mix that with chicken instead of tuna. It is still in my pantry. That's why I bought it, so it could sit there. So it is on the menu maybe, or it might just get pushed back again. Who knows? So there you go. There's my rambly jambly grocery haul, my menu plan. Again, the menu plan will be down at the bottom. And I'm not finding my steaks on this receipt. So either they ended up giving them to me for free, or they did not, I don't have a completed receipt, but it says my total is $159.99 without the steaks. With the steaks, you're going to add another 20 bucks on there, so $179. Not too shabby. Either with it, and without them, I'm like hot diggity dog. So for me to spend $160 on groceries and eat very well, as you can tell, my family is not going to go hungry. My husband takes leftovers for lunches. The boys buy lunch at school. They have plenty of snacks. And me personally, I am this week I have gone back to intermittent fasting, so I'm really just eating dinner. Maybe a snack when I first come home to kind of quell that hunger. But I really haven't been very hungry. So I enjoy my dinner, which tonight will be a nice piece of steak and some pie and some smashed potatoes, because that just sounds amazing. All right, I'm going to go. I need to put this up and get these steaks marinating and play with this little girl. Shelby girl, are you so glad Mama's home? You glad Mama's home? Did you miss Mama today? You wouldn't play? Wouldn't play with the boys? You just waiting for Mama? Did you finally eat your cookies? You guys, oh, she still got 2. I gave her 4 cookies. They look like animal crackers, but they're from the pet store. She waits till I get home to eat them. She spreads them around, and then when I get home, she gets them. I'm going to get your cookie. I'm going to get your cookie. You left your cookies on the floor. All right, seriously, I'm gone. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new and you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is fixing to get pretty interesting. And that's just to say the least. I have another new unboxing coming. I ordered it today and it just sounds like fun. So, you guys, I think I'm addicted. Bye.